mind was never yours. It was programmed long before you could think. You learned to obey before you knew what obeying meant. In quiet classrooms, under judging eyes, you were trained to punish yourself, to silence your anger, mask your truth, smile at your insults. And what's worse, you thank them for it. But your story isn't finished yet, because once you see the chains, you can break them. Machiavelli understood. Your weakness isn't destiny, it's design. Now I'll show you how to destroy it and rebuild your mind into a weapon. There's a secret they've used for centuries. They never forced you to submit because they didn't have to. Instead, they built invisible walls inside your mind. They rewarded obedience, punished independence, and slowly turned you into your own worst enemy. This is the hidden code behind schools, jobs, even relationships. Machiavelli called it control without chains. Men must either be caressed or annihilated. But annihilation isn't physical, it's mental. You weren't born weak, you were trained to feel weak. And that training runs deeper than you ever imagined. Do you recognize yourself yet? Let me show you exactly how this programming shapes your daily life. Right now, in every interaction. When someone mocks you, you laugh nervously, even though anger burns behind your smile. When your boss criticizes you unfairly, you lower your eyes, even though inside you know you're right. When friends interrupt your story, you swallow your voice, convinced that what you have to say doesn't matter anyway. You think you're being polite, patient, even humble. But deep down, you know better. This is not humility, it's submission. Every single day, you surrender without knowing it. You turn your strength into silence, your truth into apologies. You sabotage yourself in the most critical moments. Your confidence vanishes. Your words fail you. Your courage disappears precisely when you need it most. But the worst part isn't that others dominate you. The real tragedy is that you've learned to dominate yourself. You punish yourself mentally every time you step outside the lines. Every time you dare to be authentic, powerful, or real. This hidden obedience is so deeply ingrained you barely notice it. But your body knows. Your mind knows. The constant stress, anxiety, and exhaustion are not random. They are the silent signals of a war inside yourself. A war you were trained to lose again and again. Machiavelli understood this brutal truth. It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both. Yet somehow you've been trained to seek approval, to beg for acceptance instead of asserting your truth. Ask yourself, who taught you this obedience? Why do you betray yourself every single day in 1,000 invisible ways? The chains may be invisible, but their weight is crushing you. You must face this truth clearly, painfully, without excuses, because only when you see it can you finally destroy it. The only way to end your submission is to use their own weapon against them. Machiavelli taught kings and conquerors exactly how to dismantle the control of others, and then rebuild them in their own image. Now you must use that ruthless method on yourself. First, identify the leash. Understand exactly how your mind punishes you, how you silence your truth and bury your strength. Recognize the hidden patterns that trigger your obedience. Notice them. Label them clearly. Give them no place to hide. Second, destroy your programming through radical contradiction. If your mind tells you to stay silent, speak louder. If you instinctively lower your eyes, hold the gaze longer. If you normally apologize, assert yourself aggressively. This deliberate self-defiance will feel unnatural, even painful. That's exactly the point. Machiavelli knew that true power only comes through discomfort and conflict, never comfort or compliance. Finally, insert a new logic of dominance. Rebuild yourself strategically, layer by layer, guided by Machiavelli's cold insight. Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. Become unreadable, unpredictable, someone who cannot be controlled. Precisely because you have reclaimed control over yourself. You are not broken. You never were. But the version they built inside you, the quiet, obedient, manageable you, that version must die tonight. Understand clearly, this isn't self-improvement. This isn't therapy. This is strategic self-destruction. A planned, precise destruction of every inner weakness they implanted in you. Burn the identity that apologizes for existing. Crush the voice that whispers doubts before you speak. Eliminate the thoughts that sabotage your greatness before it begins. Machiavelli taught the powerful a truth you were never allowed to hear. The lion cannot protect himself from traps, and the fox cannot defend himself from wolves. Therefore, you must be both lion and fox. Your new self is not humble. It's dominant. It's not quiet. It's strategic. It's no longer predictable, fearful, or accommodating. It's dangerous, calculated, and free. The old you was trained to seek permission. The new you gives commands. You don't rewire weakness. You destroy it. You don't manage insecurities. You weaponize them. Today, you end the era of submission. Kill the slave in your mind. Begin the rise of the ruthless strategist. Right now, you stand on the edge. You've shattered their chains, broken their programming, and started rebuilding. But what exactly are you rebuilding into? Are you crafting true freedom, or constructing an even darker prison? One forged by your own hands. Machiavelli warned his students, power is not a possession, but a constant struggle. You've learned to become dangerous, unreadable, unstoppable, but your journey has just begun. Because the moment you stop needing their approval, society will call you dangerous. And they'll be right. But danger isn't weakness. It's immunity. Next, I'll show you how to build the kind of mental immunity no system can ever break. Click the next video and step deeper into your own darkness. If you want to take back control of your mind, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like as well. And more important, join my new free newsletter, The Inner Circle, for exclusive insights and unfiltered truths to take back control over your life beyond YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.